Next, find the factors, means again factorize. Again there are 4 sub questions to this. So first is 9x square plus 24x plus 16. Okay. Now take the hint from this. 9x square means 3x the whole square and 16 is what? 4 square. So something can be done regarding 3x plus 4 the whole square. Let's try. So 3x plus 4 the whole square plus 24x plus 4 square. So try to make 24 in terms of 3x and 4. So what will it be? 3x square plus 2 into 3x plus into 4 plus 4 square, right? 4 3 is 12 to the 24. Same answer. But what it is now? A square plus 2ab plus b square, that is a plus b the whole square. Therefore the answer is 3x plus 4 the whole square. The factors are this only, 2 times this factor, 3x plus 4 into 3x plus 4. Next, 25x square plus 30x plus 9. So again same logic, 25x square means 5x the whole square and 9 is 3 square. Try it again, 5x the whole square plus 2 into 5x into 3, right? 5 to the 10, 3 is 30 into x plus 9 in the whole square. So what is this? A square plus 2ab plus b square, a plus b the whole square. So 5x plus 3 the whole square. These are the factors. Next, 40x square plus 14 plus 1. See here, 10x square plus 14x, 40x square plus 14x plus 1. So 40x square is first and last multiplication, 40x square into 1. So it can be 10 for the 40 and 14 is 10 plus 4 14, right? So 10 and 4 satisfy both the conditions, multiplication of first and third and addition of second. Okay, so the expression becomes 40x square plus 10x plus 4x plus 1. Solve this first two now. 10x common, so 4x plus 1, take it the same 4x plus 1 on this side. What remains? 1. We have to get 4x now, so 4x is already over here, so it will be just 1. So now 4x plus 1 common. What remains? 10x plus 1, right, this bracket, into 4x plus 1. These are the factors. Next, 4x square minus 16x plus 16. Okay, again see this, 2x the whole square and 4 square. So let's try. 4x square into 16, first and last, 64x square. Okay, and 16 is what? Now convert 64 into the number such that 16 will be the sum. So 8 and 8, minus 8x is 16x. So center middle condition satisfies. Minus 8 into minus 8 is 64. So that also satisfies. So the expression becomes 4x square minus 16x plus 16 equals to 4x square minus 8x plus 16. So 4x common, it remains x minus 2 in from first two. Take this x minus 2 as it is over here. Then for 8x now, x is already there, so we require minus 8. So minus 8x. So take x minus 2 common now. So what remains? 4x minus 8 into x minus 2, right? Take 4 common now from 4x minus 8. 4 into x minus 2 into x minus 2. So it can be written as 4 into x minus 2 the whole square.